Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to see how we can download and install EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert software. Okay, I'll provide you this link in the description of this video, and once you open this link you will navigate to same page. So in this page you have to just scroll down and you have to navigate to utilities and firmware. Inside this utilities and firmware section you will find this software EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2020 Service Pack 3. Okay, you can download this software from here. So you can see here files for download. Otherwise you can directly click on this download button to start your download. I have already downloaded this software. As you can see here on my desktop, this is the software, and here I have extracted this zip file. Okay, so if you open this folder you will see one more folder which is disk 1, and if you open the disk 1 folder and you scroll down, then you will see setup.exe, and we will start our installation using this setup.exe application file. So we will minimize this browser and we will start our installation by double clicking on this setup.exe. Okay, here you have to choose the language. So for me, English is my language, so I'll press OK here. Okay, so this is the installation wizard of EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2020 Service Pack 3. Okay, here we have to press next, and then we have to again press yes to accept the license agreement, and then after we have to again press yes to accept the third-party license agreement, and then you have to specify your username, and then you have to specify your company name, so Fusion Automate. Okay, and then I'll press next here, and then choose destination folder, so where you want to install your Machine SCADA Expert 2020. So if you want to change the location, then you can change by clicking on this change button. Otherwise leave it as it is and just press next. Okay, now which feature you want to install with this installation? So all the default feature is selected, so I will leave as it is, and then I'll just press next here. Okay, and then after we have to press install to start our installation. So just press install and it will start installing Machine SCADA Expert 2020 in your system. So we have to wait until the installation is completed. Okay, so as you can see, EcoStruxure Machine Expert 2020 Service Pack 3 installation complete. So as you can see on my desktop, we have a shortcut of Machine SCADA Expert 2020. So it means that our installation is successful. Now, if you want to read the release notes, you can tick this checkbox. Otherwise, untick this and just press on finish. Okay. Now, if you go to start menu and if you scroll down for M or E, you can see EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2020 folder. And inside that, you will find our EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2020 Studio. Okay, so this is how you can download EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2020 and you can install Machine SCADA Expert 2020 Service Pack 3. And if you have any question or concern regarding download and installation, you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. Also, you can comment and I'll reply you as soon as possible. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.